A tree from which oil extracted from seeds can treat skin diseases. What an amazing tree it is. Introducing Balitbitan, Sinomitra ramiflora of the family Fabaceae. The genus comes from Greek kinos meaning dog and mitra meaning worm, referring to the shape of the fruit. The species Ramiflora comes from Latin ramus meaning branch and flora meaning flower, indicating that the flowers grow on the branches. Balitbitan is an eric small tree up to 26 meters tall and 50 centimeters in diameter. It is naturally found in coastal and tidal forest but occurs inland at up to 400 meters above sea level. Compared to other species under the genus Sinomitra, the wood of Balitbitan is not durable. However, its red to dark brown wood can still be used for light construction, turning, inlaid work, plywood, and decorative veneers. Wood chips can produce a purple dye in water. The lotion made from its leaves and the oil extracts from seeds can treat skin diseases. The roots can be used as a purgative. The dried fruits are used in floral decor. The tree is commonly used for ornamental purposes primarily due to its colorful foliage and colliferous inflorescence. This is marks caring for the environment is not only a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.